Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to pause the workout on this watch. So let me start workout quickly. Let's say golf. Okay, maybe not golf, it's more complicated. Okay, trail run. Go. And as you can see, we have the workout going, and let's say you want to pause it, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. And here we have a pause menu. On it you have a couple of functions like lock the touch screen. So basically you won't be wait. Okay, so the touch screen is turned off completely if you're not in the pause workout pause. So basically now the touch screen won't work, but if I enter the pause menu, it works. That's why I was confused, but yeah. And to unlock it, you need to tap on the icon again. You can also control the broadcast volume. You can resume the workout by tapping on the resume button, and you can stop the workout completely by tapping on stop button. And of course you can resume the workout by pressing the crown button. And that's about all. That's how you pause the workout on this watch. So let's stop it like this. And that's how you pause the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.